you bath? Okay. Go back to sleep. Good morning, you guys. I'm trying not to talk loud. Let's get ready today. Bambi has a bath appointment. I haven't taken her there in a long time, and I'm so excited because she finally gets to, have a nice little spa day. So let's get going. Hang on. All right, guys, so I'm ready. Bambi, I had to take her out from underneath the sheets. She was so warm, but we need to go get her bath taken. So she has an appointment to get, beautified. So let me see, Mama. So I got her in her car seat and everything. She already went peed and pooped. So let's go. You guys, I've been sitting here already for probably about a good 10 minutes watching this truck try to get into this gate. He has onions on the back of his truck. You see that? Hold on, where's my finger? You do see that right there? He already ran over that. It's like one of the cones. It's like a whole thing. He has been forward and backward, and no one was out here to help him. And then as soon as they saw him run over the cone, somebody rushes out to help him. I mean, I'm glad he's finally got help, but you guys, it took him, because there's construction all in the back of the truck. There's construction all up here, so I'm pretty sure that okay, he made it. Nice. Well, I'm glad that he made it. Oh, and then I also dropped off Bambi. I didn't didn't film it because she hasn't been there in a while, so she was kind of like iffy about it. So so I didn't film it. But yeah, she's dropped off, and I'm gonna go pick her up at 4. And I've been out here just, you know, doing gig work. I am so sleepy because I woke up like at 5 this morning, and I was still late. But anyways, I will see you here in a little bit. Hi, Mama. Oh, chica 5. Bambi's done. Oh, you okay? You okay? She looks a little bit more fluffier than what she left this morning. I really wish I can get her a groom, you know, to where they can cut away like her little wild hairs that she has, and her, you know, do a little sanitary cut. But that's okay. She at least got a bath, and she got her nails trimmed. You got your nails trimmed, Mama? You got your nails done, Mama? Oh, my pretty baby. You ready to go home? You ready to go home? You ready to go home and actually have your foodies? Yeah, Mama. Oh. Okay. All right, Mama. Let's go. Let's go home. Let's go. Okay. Stay in there. Stay in there for a little bit. Stay in there, Mama. Stay in there. Let's go.